goes a little something like.
Okay, so it's been almost a week since the last clip, and as you can see, I finally got coilovers for my car. I'm currently running lowering springs on this car, and as you can see from that gap, it's no bueno. So, let's install these bad boys and hope that everything goes well. Probably won't.
You put up a good fight, Lugnut, but you've met your match.
was able to take the front passenger struts out. Here's a quick comparison between the stock one and the coilover. You can tell that the coilover is definitely shorter, so I might just leave it at that height for now. And if it isn't low enough for me, I can always go back and drop it some more.
The next day.
It's day 2 of the install, and I was able to do the front ones yesterday, but unfortunately I wasn't able to finish because we had some problems with the nuts at the top being seized and they're just rounding off, so I had to grind them and stuff. But we managed to take the old struts off and put the coilovers in. Let's move on to the rears. And yeah, let's do it. Okay, I'm in the car right now and it's super hot, so I'm gonna make this quick. I finally decided to pick up the camera after like, I want to say 3 or 4 months. And yeah, as you can see from the cinematics, the car's definitely lower and it looks better. I've driven it on some twisty roads and yeah, it handles better compared to the previous setup that I had with the lowered springs and the stock struts. It's way better because the stock struts that I had were blown, so it was pretty bad. And I guess that's it. So if you've made it this far and you've enjoyed the video, I want to say thank you so much. Please drop a like and hope to see you in the next one.